Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of how-to tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. In this chapter, we'll demonstrate how to replace a temperature probe. Before you begin any work, make sure that the oven is switched off and is isolated from any power source. This is done by removing the power cable. Remove the back cover of the oven and detach the earthing wire using a 7mm spanner. Next, remove the rear channel cover. Release the cable ties holding the temperature probe in place. Turn the oven onto its side so you can access the bottom of the unit. Remove the bolts on the base plate using a Phillips screwdriver. Once removed, remove the earthing wire from the bottom cover using a 7mm spanner. Release the cable ties holding the temperature probe in place. Next, remove the loom covers. Unplug the green termination block on the back of the PCB. Remove the wires from the termination block using a 2.5mm flat blade screwdriver. Unthread the probe from the loom. Pass the thread through the grommets until you reach the temperature probe. Place the temperature probe in the hole and thread the wires back through the grommets. The 4 wires are in 2 pairs, one red and one white. They must be reattached to the green termination block this way. Tighten them to ensure a secure connection. Plug the termination back into the PCB board. Attach new cable ties to hold the wire in place. Start at the temperature probe end and work your way back to the loom. This is so excess wire can be stored easily. Make sure to cut the tails off the cable ties. The excess wire can now be curled up into the loom and the loom covers secured back on. Reattach the base cover, ensuring the earthing wire is reattached. Finally, reattach the back and rear channel covers. You can now reattach the power supply and turn the oven back on. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.